Yeah, okay. I'll be live with Iyke Phelim. I'm in my goat place. This is one of the rooms where they come in to rest whenever it's very sunny or whenever it's raining. So here at this other end is a second room, and over there is a third room. So they have 3 rooms here, and each room can take about 5 matured goats. This can take about 4 matured goats, then this can take like 7, and the other one can take like 10. So when you're caring for your Nigerian Dwarf breeds, you need shelter. Just watch there, you see, they're coming. They're coming because they know I'm here. They're coming here because they know I'm here. So you need shelter, a good place that's going to be very clean. Then you see right there, that's the water outlet. So whenever we're cleaning this place, we just release the water and sweep everything out. The water passes that outlet, then goes into our garden. There is a garden at that corner where we have shrubs and plants and trees that we use also to feed them. You see them coming? They know I'm here, so they are all over this place making noise and screaming. And you know why they're screaming? They want to eat. It's time for food. So I'm just going to go into the other storeroom where I keep their food and get food for them. So this is an appropriate shelter for them. If it's raining, we drop this stuff. We drop it. It's like a window. So the water does not come in and disturb them while they are here taking shelter. When it's sunny, we drop it, allow it to come down like this. So it shades the sun and gives this place proper shade. Cool. Everywhere is cool. They won't be exhausted from the heat of the sun. And they're just going to be fine. But most of the time, they like staying out there, playing, running up and down, and hoping to eat. You see, that's the buck. That's my buck. You see, that's my buck right there. A grown male. And it's still a very young male. It's still under 1 year. I think he should be, by all calculations, he should be around 9 to 10 months old. And that's a doe. And that's another one. So you see them there waiting. They're waiting for me to come out, for me to bring food for them so they can eat. They want to eat. And if I stay long inside here, don't come out, they will come here and meet me. Gradually, you see them coming. And the longer I stay here, the more they will come into this place to meet me. Because they're like telling me, we need food now. Bring the food now. It's time for us to eat. That's Lindsay, the baby. It's already here. This is here already. You see? I said they were going to come. I told you they were going to come. So now they're coming to meet me. They want to eat. Don't worry, I'll get your food now. I'll get your food now, okay? See them? They are all here. So let me just quickly get their food from the storeroom. Let me just quickly get their food from the storeroom and give it to them so they can eat. So we can have peace. Alright, so let's move to the storeroom. So this whole noise can stop. You guys can keep quiet now. So here is the storeroom. I keep lots of things here for them, including their food. Now, this is dried beans with the bean shaft, all dry. Very good food for Nigerian Dwarf goats. So if you're thinking of what to feed your Nigerian dwarf goats, you should really consider this food. It's very good for them. Now watch how they rejoice and they keep quiet when they see the food. You see them? You see them? Yeah, let's go to your troll. Let's go. Lead the way, lead the way. Let's go. Let's go to your troll. This is your feeding troll. You guys ready? I don't want any noise. Shh. No more noise. Be good. Be good. Yes, be good. It's time to eat. One bowl is usually not enough for them. So, let's get the second bowl. One full bowl is not enough for my goats. 4 of them? Hell no. This drum, they finish it in 1 week. I need to get your food. I still have it in bag in my store. So I need to open a new bag. Here. Just use this one to top up for them. So they eat and there is peace. Yeah. So everywhere is quiet now and peaceful because they are busy. Their mouths are busy. All right. Hobby life with Iyke Phelim. So do not forget to like, comment, share, and have a nice day.